Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hey, say, I never did. Peter 1 did say he never did go run well if Jesus. And if you did it, how you would it do? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait, man? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, sir.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Matthew chapter 26 from verse 31 to verse 35. Then Jesus said to them, say, tonight, the whole of una go run will left me, say what go happen to me. Cause right down here, God word say, me I go lick down the shepherd, and all of the sheep them I go run all about the place. But after me come back alive, I go in a Galilee before no. Peter say, all if the whole of them run away gone, say what go happen to you? Me nah go nowhere. Jesus said to him, say, me I tell you this, and I chew me attack. Tonight, before the rooster crow, you go say you don't know me 3 times. So Peter said, I left them have to kill me with you. Me will never say me don't know you. And all I'm special follower them said the same thing. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.